What happens if Jupiter swallows Earth? The Earth has been rushing toward Jupiter for the past 242 days, and it's about to hit. At this point, we are so near to the enormous planet that it is the only object that fills the sky above us. The Earth's ground temperatures are rising out of control. Our atmosphere is catching fire. The scientists are trying desperately to figure out what's happening. When the two planets crash into each other, what will happen? Could we fly right on through the gas planet without stopping? How exactly would Jupiter be permanently changed as a result of this crash? What should we expect? Because this isn't the first time that Jupiter has collided with another planet, one method scientists may use to find answers is to look into the past. Jupiter was involved in a devastating collision with a planet about 4.5 billion years ago. The impact of this collision caused Jupiter to suffer severe damage. The collision caused Jupiter's core to experience a comprehensive transformation in this case. But what happened to the planet that was there before? And what does that tell us about the likelihood of our planet surviving a collision with the gas giant? Let's go back in time, 4.5 billion years, when Jupiter was still a young planet and still trying to figure out where it belonged in the universe so that we can get some answers. When this occurred, the gravitational pull exerted by Jupiter increased 30-fold in just a few 100,000 years. This made the orbits of young planets close by unstable, and some crashed into Jupiter. It is believed that one of these planets had a mass 10 times greater than that of the Earth, and that the majority of its interior was composed of a silicate ice core. Jupiter was struck by a planet traveling at an impact speed of 46 kilometers per second. Jupiter only lost a marginal mass due to the collision, but the structure of its original core was entirely transformed. Before the impact, Jupiter's center core was composed of densely packed heavy elements, while the rest of the planet was primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. After the impact, the silicate ice core of the baby planet merged with Jupiter's. This made Jupiter's core less dense. The dense components scattered and mixed with the planet's surface layers as they moved outward. Even though the crash was a turning point for Jupiter, it was the end for the other planet. So, what are the chances that Earth would have a different fate? Check it out yourself. But before that, remember to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Let's dig in. Do you know that the Earth travels around the Sun at an average speed of 29.78 kilometers per second? If the Earth were to immediately break free from its orbit around the Sun and begin traveling directly toward Jupiter, it would take approximately 242 days to reach its destination. Jupiter shone like a brilliant star the entire time we were on our journey and kept getting bigger daily and hour by hour. By the sixth day, Jupiter would appear to have the same brightness level as the Moon. We would soon begin to realize that the daylight was becoming less bright. When we reach the orbit of Mars, we will receive approximately 50% of the Sun's light that we usually do. Lucky for us, Earth's atmosphere would act as a buffer so that we wouldn't feel the cold immediately. However, that will only keep you warm for a short while, so you must invest in winter clothes built to withstand harsh conditions. To give you an idea of how cold it would be, the average surface temperature of Mars is negative 63 degrees Celsius, and that's what we'd have to prepare ourselves for. We'll go through the asteroid belt once we've passed Mars's orbit. We'll see beautiful meteor showers that light up the sky, but some meteors could hit us, so let's keep moving. Following a journey that lasted 242 days and took us through our solar system, we'd eventually arrive at our goal, which was Jupiter. Because of Jupiter's gravitational pull on Earth, our planet's speed might reach 60 kilometers per second, 37 miles per hour. You'll want to hang on for dear life, because that is 250 times quicker than an airplane travels. So keep a firm grip, guys. Oh, and have we mentioned that Jupiter is surrounded by its 79 confirmed moons at any given time? As the Earth gets closer to them, there is a genuine chance we could crash into one of them. Even if we escape those moons, the situation will worsen. When we collide with Jupiter, the atmospheres of both planets will be squeezed, resulting in a significant temperature rise and, in effect, setting the air on fire. But on the bright side, we won't ever get close enough to Jupiter's interior to worry about a head-on collision with its center. Our planet is too small, and the atmosphere would burn up before that could happen. This would significantly affect Jupiter because the Earth's ashes thoroughly mix into its atmosphere. So if you ever discover our planet breaking off its path and heading towards Jupiter, you should leap off sometime along the route when we're approaching Mars. Does that sound like fun? Most likely not, but thankfully this will never happen. That's all guys, if you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, do subscribe to get updates about what's new on our channel. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you in the next video.